This is a 1962 Ford Galaxie 500 Sunliner. Beautiful red with white accent. Wire wheel covers. Has a 390 cubic inch V8. There's the equipment there. Power steering, brakes, power top. Automatic transmission. And of course it has the Continental kit, which you will see. And under the hood it looks new, really. Very nice indeed. It's for auction at the Lakeland Linder Airport, the Carlisle auction. Dual master cylinder braking. They certainly paid attention to redoing the under hood area. Very nice bright work. Here we have a little congestion here on the side, so I kind of got around the congestion here to see the driver's side of the car. The auction was taking place not too far away, so there were a lot of people gathered around. Very nice upholstery. And there, of course, is the Continental kit. This time it has Galaxie on it, so that's nice. But it extends a good distance away from the body of the car.